So hello. Welcome to Kabal Easy Channel. And of course, guys, this is Ritz, ang taong nasa likod ng Kabal Easy Channel. And of course, guys, for the new viewers natin dyan, don't forget to hit the like button and of course, turn the bell on for the new updates and notifications para ma-inform ko po kayo sa mga susunod na videos na pag-uusapan natin. Okay? So guys, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is manunod lang po kayo ng videos, okay, and magkakapera na kayo. Alright? All you need to do is you just really need to have internet connection, cell phone or laptop, okay? So you're good to go. And of course, PayPal account and you're good to go. Okay, so overview muna tayo guys sa tatlong website na pag-uusapan natin. And ang website na 'to is worldwide. So meaning to say, kahit saan kang lugar sa buong mundo, okay, as long as may internet connection ka, you're good to go. Makakapag-earn ka ng pera dito, okay? So and of course, the next one also is make sure 18 years old and above, okay? Preferably talaga 'yun para of course legal age para wala tayong sabit, okay? So and of course, dito guys, sobrang dali lang po siya. Manonood lang po kayo, magsu-survey, magte-take ng sites, surveys. Ang dali lang po yung gagawin niyo dito. Okay? So, and of course, the next one is nang dahil sa sobrang dali, okay, napakadali lang po talaga yung mga task dito guys. Okay? So, mababang bayad sa dolyar. Okay? So, don't worry guys. When it comes to dollar to peso, malaki na po yun. Okay? So, pag nag-tap on po 'yan, yung mga dollar cents, malaki na po 'yan when it comes to peso. 'Yun yung kagandahan 'pag kumita tayo sa online with dollars kasi pag-convert niyo ng peso, malaki po yung kitaan, okey? Kahit cents lang po yung dollars na 'yan, mas good preferably sa Pilipinas kasi pag-convert niya ng peso, malaki po 'yun, okey? So good bonus po 'yan sa ating mga Pilipino. Okay, so hopefully guys, manonood kayo hanggang dulo ng videos na 'to para ma-inform ko po kayo sa mga ideas natin na pag-uusapan, how to make money online. Okay, so and of course guys, meron po kayong kailangan ng PayPal, okay, PayPal account. Okay, meron tayong videos nan dito sa channel natin. Okay, just surf sa sa YouTube channel natin meron pa tayong video kung wala pa kayong PayPal account, okay? And of course, the last one is legit po siya guys, napaka-legit po yan, alright? So guys, yan po yung overview ng topic natin ngayon. And of course, tara, simulan na natin. Okay, so diretso na tayo guys. So ang unang-unang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is yung una is picoworkers.com. Okay? So Pico Worker guys is website. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin dito is manonood lang kayo, mag-survey, at mayroon po siyang mga iba't ibang klaseng task. Okay? So make sure meron po kayong legit email address kasi kailangan po nila yon pag nag-sign up po kayo dito. And of course, let's take overview po muna natin yung picoworkers.com. Okay, so Pico Worker guys is small gigs, big results. Okay, so yan po yung slogan nila. Small gigs and big results. Okay, so punta tayo sa baba. Okay, so dito guys sa business owners, freelancers. Okay, so yung mga clients natin guys, yung tinatawag na mga business owners. So sila yung mga owner ng companies na pupunta kay Pico Workers para mag mag-hire ng mga freelancers. So yun po kayong tinatawag na freelancers. Don't worry guys, wala po kayong kailangan na online skills dito, and all you need to do is follow the instructions ng mga business owners and you're good to go. Okay? O hindi ko kailangan na magaling kayo sa typing, data entry, o di kaya Amazon VA. Okay, dito wala guys. Kailangan nyo lang talagang magkaroon ng clear instructions na magpa-follow lang kayo sa mga instructions nila and you're good to go. Okay, so sa business owners guys, dito makita yung create short videos. Sila po yung mag-create ng videos, edit photo, crypto jobs. So dito tayo papasok sa freelancers. Okay, dito sa take surveys, write an honest review, test an app, write an article, okay? Yun po yung mga gagawin natin, okay? Huwag po kayong mag-alala dahil yan lang po yung mga pinaka-basic nila, okay? Ang dami pang mga mas madali pa yan, okay? Dito sa baba guys, pag-usapan natin si Pico. So, sa Pico Workers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners, businesses who need other people to help them to support their work to come easy to Pico Workers. Here, they hired workers for easy and quick jobs. Okay, not easy and quick jobs. Okay, yun po yung keyword po natin yan dyan. Okay, so dito guys sa baba guys, makita natin yung this is how small gig works. Okay, so pag meron na kayong sariling section or sa sariling profile dito, makita nyo dito ganito. Find projects, yung pangalan nyo, yung rates, balance nyo dito, and of course dito. So pag-uusapan natin yan in the later part. Okay, so this is how small gig works. Select jobs you like. Okay, kung anong gustong trabaho nyo kailangan gawin. And complete this task. Okay, explore required task. Send required proof. Okay, yun lang. Okay, so pipili lang kayo nung klaseng task na or jobs na gusto nyo. Pagkatapos niyan, complete this task, meaning to say complete is follow the instructions. Okay, meron po silang simple English lang naman, follow the instructions. And of course, pagkatapos mo follow yan, required explore. Okay, so gagawin nyo yung mga task na yun. And of course, i-screenshot nyo and ibibigay nyo sa client. And you're good to go. Meron na kayong pera nun. Okay? So, since freelancer tayo is dito tayo sa freelancer. Okay, sa freelancer guys, dito natin is deliver work and get paid. So, yun nga, nakita natin yung basic profile natin dito. Okay, so basic profile natin, makita yan. And then, this is how small gigs are great work. They are easy to do online, little time to finish their jobs, like yan po, papasok sa survey, categorize images, help promote content, and many others. Get credited immediately after task. Pagkatapos ng task, meron na po yung bayad nun. Okay? Okay, ayos yun. Okay, so dito guys, makikita natin ang profile natin. O, kunyari ito yung freelancer na dito sa Pico Workers. And dito, your balance, 31.9, small job. Yan po yung mga sinasabi ko kanina is cents, 24 cents. And posted is 1.24 on the way. Okay, so dito guys, the next one. So, na-explain na natin how the Pico Workers work. Dito makikita natin yung affiliate links ko. Kung meron na kayong profile dito sa Pico Workers, pwede din kayong passive income dito. Ang kailangan niyo lang gawin is meron po kayong mga website o di kaya kung meron mga kaibigan niyo na mga website, pwedeng i-refer niyo sa picoworkers.com. Okay? Anong kailangan niyo lang gawin is get the link and meron po kayong 5% from the referral. Okay? So, passive po siya. Wala na po kayong gagawin nun. Pagkuha niyo ng link, ilalagay niyo sa website niyo, and 'pag may pupunta may put ng link sa website niyo, automatic meron na po kayong 5% commission fee for Pico Workers. So, wala kayong ginagawa, nagsabi lang kayo na, "Ito magandang profile na 'to." Okay, so since na-cover na natin lahat, okay, ito po siya yung job fees, mga transaction fees. Okay, so charge small fee, yung small fee lang naman, and job approval is 0.4 cents, and free for task rate satisfied is 7%. Okay, so ayan po yung job fees. And of course, success rate is worker must maintain success rate of 75% at all times, and too many satisfied tasks will lower workers' rate, and low success rate prevents us worker from performing jobs for the next 30 days. Okay? So, wag po muna kayong mag-aabala dito, and the only thing you need to do is follow all the steps. Pagkatapos guys, diretso tayo sa loob ng Pico Workers. Okay? So sa loob ng Pico Worker guys, meron na po akong account dito. Meron po akong 0.50 cents and wala po tayong pending balance amount. And dito guys, napaka the best po talaga to. Okay? So since freelancer po tayo, dito natin makikita yan. Okay, so in categories, dito natin mapapahin yung find jobs, my task, my jobs, my wallet. Okay, so click natin yung find jobs. pag-like natin yung Find Jobs, dito natin makikita yung mga iba't ibang trabaho na puwede available tayo. So dito focus lang po kayo dito is 358 to 451, meaning to say 'pag nag-451 'yan, hindi na po kayo makapagtrabaho nito, okey? So ang bayad dito is 0.8, okey? So papunta na po siyang red kasi medyo palapit na po siyang mag-done, and of course, kailangan niyang pag-clinic niyo lang 'to, okey? So makukuha niyo po yung ano, yung makukuha niyo po yung 0.08 na rate, okay. So dito naman sa YouTube, ayan 341, 355, and of course you're good to go with here. Pagkatapos niyan sa baba, okay, yun lang po yung kailangan niyong tingnan, okay. So sa category, okay, makikita niyo dito, yan, makikita natin. So apply that dito tayo sa YouTube kasi madami sa YouTube, okay. So sa YouTube guys, ang kailangan niyo lang gawin is the same as well. For 345, 355 done, ano yung ratings dito. And huwag kayong mag-alala, wala pong kailangan na skills dito, basta follow lang po tayo ng instruction, okay? So ito po yung rate nila, kailangan 7 days ma-complete na 'to. Pagkatapos niyan, ma-expired na po siya. 'Pag kumpleto niyo yung 7 days yung assigned task, magbabayad po yung employer ng $0.04, okay. So unlimited po siya guys, puwede kayong um, kukuha ng mga different jobs dito or different tasks, okay, and you can earn a lot of money here. As long as you put the job and the work and the time, you're good to go. So click natin kunyari, itong YouTube, so mapupunta po tayo yan diyan. Dito po natin makikita yung ano, marketing promotion task for X. So in excluded countries, wala po siyang included, meaning to say buong mundo pwede siyang makapag-avail nito. Okay, so employer, almugan. So ang kailangan lang natin is tingnan is yung 97 to 100 kasi 'pag nag-100 na po siya guys, 'pag hindi niyo na tapos yung task, automatic hindi na po kayo mababayaran nun. So make sure before 7 days matatapos niyo yung complete task. Napakadali lang po siya guys. Ang kailangan lang gawin is what is expected from workers. Ito po yung number one, search on YouTube the following keywords. Pupunta kayo sa YouTube and ise-search niyo 'to, pre-TikTok likes, okay. Pagkatapos ng pre-TikTok likes 'yan, makikita niyo yung mga iba't ibang videos na 'yon. How to get a lot of TikToks for free, okay. Search niyo rin 'to sa YouTube. Pagkatapos niyan, find this video, okay. So pag-click niyo 'yan, and then mapupunta po tayo sa another site. Ito po siya guys, get free TikTok video likes. 'Pag prinay po 'yan, okay, pag-play, okay, pagkatapos mag-play, like, okay, magla-like lang po kayo and magsa-subscribe. Very important po 'yan, and the employer will check. Comment something related to the video, okay, meaning to say 'pag nakita niyo yung videong 'to, magko-comment, magla-like, magse-share po kayo. Okay, and mag-subscribe. Okay, pagkatapos niyan i-screenshot niyo, okay, and magko-comment po kayo related to the video. Pagkatapos niyan, okay, screenshot niyo lang the like and the video, okay, screenshot showing the subscribe to the channel, and of course, pagkatapos screenshot the like and the video, type the proof here and upload the screenshot here, okay. So pagkatapos niyan, yung type of proof and submit the proof. And then pagkatapos niyan, you're good to go. Mare-receive, ipe-pending po yan and titingnan po yan ng employer na si Almugan, and then 'pag natapos niyo na po 'yun and makukuha niyo yung $0.10 dollar, okay? Isa lang po 'yan guys, okay? So isang task lang po 'yun. How much more 'pag madami na? Tap on, madami pong pera 'yun. Okay, another website also guys, pag-uusapan natin is, SuperMe. Okay, that's the same also with, um, Pico workers. Okay, so si SuperPay.me is another site as well, okay? So magbabayad sila PayPal, Tango, or Amazon gift card, Skrill, Bitcoin. Okay, so dito makikita join free today, take priority, get paid. Okay? So surveys, get paid, and join free lang po siya. The same as well. Okay? So magsa-survey lang po kayo, mag-earn na po kayo ng cash, ng points, and of course gift cards. Depende po kung anong ihabil nyo. Okay? So yan, yun po yung review nila. Excellent. It is really good website to make money with many ways. You can do survey, play game, watch TV, and other website. Meaning to say, napaka-trusted. We have also the best stars also. And another website also guys we have here earnably.com. Okay, so si earnably.com is the same as well with the two sites na binanggit natin. Okay, all you need to do is sign up and email address lang po, and of course you're good to go. And magbibigay po siya ng confirmation sa email address nyo and you're good to go. Okay, so pagkatapos niyan guys, yan po, 5 minutes may 23 points, 5 minutes may 58 points, depende po sa task na po yan guys, okay? So dito guys sa instant reward cash, okay, so yan po, PayPal kung anong gusto. Kung meron na kayong minimum na pwedeng i-cash out, pwede sa PayPal, sa Amazon gift card, kung mag-shopping kayo sa Amazon and gagamitin yung gift card nyo, wala kang babayaran, okay, pwede po yun. And Facebook, Best Buy. Okay, so prepared natin yung PayPal kasi gusto na kailangan natin pera, di ba? Okay, so invite friends as well. Of course, that's the same with Pico workers. Pag nag-invite kayo and binigyan nyo yung referral link nyo, you're good to go. And trusted pilot po siya, 148 reviews sa pilot ng Trust Pilot. Okay, so yun guys, hopefully na-cover natin lahat, and of course sana meron po kayong natutunan sa videos na ginawa natin ngayon. And of course guys, um, kung meron kayong mga questions, just comment down below, and of course don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Kabal Easy channel. And of course sinasabi ko po sa inyo guys na it's not really about how much money we make, it's all about how much money we save or we make this one as triple. Okay, we will just need to work smart and not working hard. Okay, so kung nagustuhan niyo po yung video guys, don't forget to like this one, and of course subscribe, turn the bell on as well for the new updates. Okay, so thank you guys for watching until here, and sana ay nakatulong.